college वगैरह have started, and
अच्छा,
yesterday the sixth
yes.
semester has started.
अच्छा, so this is the last semester, no?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. तो अभी क्या क्या electives क्या क्या है?
Sorry क्या?
Elective है ना कुछ तो concentration electives कुछ तो है ना?
Electives नहीं, I don't think electives नहीं.
अच्छा, तो उसके बाद next steps क्या है?
Next step मतलब समझा नहीं मैं.
After when do you graduate?
अभी 6th semester है, उसके बाद बस graduation complete.
उसके बाद
उसका job I have planned job.
Okay, okay.
Yes, और आपने last class में भी शायद homework दिया था ना, target boutique firms target और करने के लिए. Yeah, so I have targeted some. Basically, I want to get into asset management firm, so we target कुछ किया है. Let's see. बाकी सब आ जाए उसके बाद.
चलो बढ़िया बढ़िया, अच्छा रहा वो एक्सरसाइज जो किया.
Yeah, I have looked into some asset management firms.
हाँ. Okay, very cool.
Yeah, hi Rajiv. Good afternoon.
Hi Kaushik, how are you? Good afternoon.
I'm good. How are you?
Good. I had early lunch today.
You're hungry.
Yeah, and I had a few typical things for lunch. Like I had jackfruit papad.
Oh my God.
Hello everyone.
Hello, hi sir.
Hi, Sato.
And I had mango green chili salad.
All healthy foods. All healthy foods.
And then I had brown rice wala palak khichdi. So like that's what I had, very typical.
Wow. Like कैसे इतना सब हो जाता है?
And now
I'll not eat
I'm
so
having.
much.
Huh?
I don't eat so much. I'm like very choosy on eating.
No, I have to eat na. So I have to eat a little more to tackle everyone's question.
Correct. Lot of energy. You need it.
Lot of energy needed.
Yeah.
Okay, is everyone in? Should we wait 2-3 minutes more and then we get started?
Yes. I think only 8 people are there. In that also, one is trainer and one is you. So 6.
Hello. Hello, Raji.
Saurabh, hi. Yes.
Nothing. Just I had something interesting thing to share.
अरे share करो ना. Why wait?
Uh, actually, like my company was initially, I told that they are looking for funds. So we got one of the investors. I won't reveal the name of confidentiality की वजह से. One of the big PSUs. So they said that we'll invest you. But आपने वो बताया था ना pre-money post-money valuation का एक part when we were doing valuation like couple of weeks back. So initially when we pitched them, they said that okay, we'll invest in you, and वो deal close. मतलब almost they were finalized कि they'll invest. But we कल they mailed and they said कि we'll invest you at your pre-money value, not your post-money value. तो मैंने saw that तो that मतलब अचानक से क्लिक हुआ कि ओहो मैंने ये पढ़ा था तो
हंसी आ गई. Deja vu हो गया.
yeah so now they are not. So my manager said me कि what is this pre-money, what is, he's actually from technical background, he's a B.Tech in microbiology. So he said कि what is this pre-money post-money अभी, what is this, now they have committed what they are saying they won't invest. मैंने कहा they'll invest but they'll invest at pre-money. So initially whatever our pre-money was उसको भी हमें अपने post-money पे लेके जाना पड़ेगा जिसको pre-money बनाना पड़ेगा, and then they will invest at our pre-money.
Okay.
So that was something मतलब अच्छा सा फील हुआ मेरे को. मेरे को ऑफिस में yeah exactly it was a small thing. मतलब I felt like you know कुछ तो मतलब एक अच्छा सा फील हुआ मुझे ऑफिस में.
बहुत जन को नहीं पता होता. बहुत जन को
प्रमोशन मिलेगा.
वो जो सीए होता है, जो टीम में सीए होता है ना, वो वैल्यू पर शेयर कर करके थक जाता है. बट तो वैल्यू पर शेयर पे कभी ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं होता है. प्री मनी पोस्ट मनी पे होता है. बिकॉज वहां पे डाइल्यूशन कितना है, स्टेक्स कितना, वो पता चलता है. वैल्यू पर शेयर पे वो सब पता नहीं चलता. वो आरबीआई के लिए फेयर मार्केट वैल्यू सही करो, डोंट बॉदर दैट. राइट.
Yeah, and that guy they also had a consultant actually. So they were, I don't know where they're from, investment banking division या पता नहीं, but they were very peculiar in their language. They said they were not talking about कि per share value क्या गिरेगी, आपका percent holding क्या होगा. They were very clear in the single line का mail आया, we will invest you at your pre-money value, not your post-money value. Subsequently, when we invested pre-money, our shareholding will change, which is the requirement जो आपके management पूछ रही है. तो एक single line का mail आया था, very blunt.
वही है, वो वैसी डील्स वैसी होती है. प्री मनी पोस्ट मनी ऐसी वैसा. तो बेसिकली क्या करेगा, आपका एग्जिस्टिंग प्री मनी वैल्यू वो पोस्ट मनी बना देगा. मतलब ही इज नेगोशिएटिंग ऑन द वैल्यूएशन. करेक्ट.
Yes, correct.
आपका एडजस्टेड मनी विल बी प्री मनी माइनस जो पैसा डाल रहा है, दैट इज योर एडजस्टेड पोस्ट मनी.
Yes, correct.
डाइल्यूट बेसिस पे देना पड़ेगा.
Correct.
वैल्यू पर शेयर क्या करना है,
वो बैलेंस शीट के छोड़ देते हैं.
So this is the difference, right? Theory and street knowledge.
Yeah, and you said that Veda Corp, if you said that you said one of the boutique firms.
Veda Corp.
I was going through their websites. मतलब in 2021 and 2020 also they have closed 2 or 3 deals. I have written it. I'll read for you it.
तो 2020 में लोग क्या कहते हैं, डूम्सडे था. बराबर, मतलब कुछ भी काम नहीं हुआ. But you know what was the transaction value? $450 million. $500 million got raised in India alone.
Veda Corp in March 2020 they closed the merger of Matrimony.com plus Astrovision for 30 million.
Correct.
So 30 million was for in June for Morgan Stanley, Samara and Sahajanand Medical acquires vascular concepts. So these are deals closed, right? जो उनकी websites पे आ रहे हैं, not deals announced.
Okay. अगर आईटी की वेबसाइट पे तो मतलब डील्स क्लोज हो चुका है. नहीं तो वो थोड़ी अर्नब गोस्वामी है, मैं तो अनाउंस करके हो गया.
Great.
Good. Let's start. We have already started, but yeah, sort of good. So you want to start? Do you have something interesting to share? यही है?
No, this was it. Thanks.
Okay, nice. Awesome. ठीक है. Who wanted to push it up? You wanted to share, right? Something? पुरुषोत्तम नहीं है. Okay. He said he wanted to share something. Okay, okay. Anyone else wants to share something? Write about something interesting. Have a question.
I wanted to share my meat tripping valuation that I tried to do by the assumptions model this time.
Okay, go for it. Go for it. Oh yeah, right. I'll make you the presenter. Sure. Yeah.
So I did it by sales this time. So I took the sales value of 3 years for Priceline, Expedia, and eDreams Origio. That was my 3 companies, peer companies that I took for valuing meat tripping. And here so these are the sales value for those 3 companies.
Okay.
And the sales was actually in $1 million. And I then made an assumptions model for meat tripping with this assumption that it's a higher value in the first time, and the prices too are a bit low in the starting of a company. So then I increase that gradually, and the promotions also will decrease gradually, the discounts that are being offered, and then the revenue was calculated by